Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ZYNEEX gaming desktop PC. There are features include. When it comes to high-performance gaming and productivity setups, this PC configuration brings together power, speed, and efficiency designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. At the heart of the system lies the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X processor, a 6-core, 12-thread CPU that has become well regarded for its excellent balance of gaming performance and multitasking efficiency. Paired with the GeForce RTX 5060 8GB graphics card, this setup ensures smooth gameplay at high frame rates, excellent visual quality, and reliable streaming support, making it suitable not only for gaming but also for creative workloads like video editing, 3D modeling, and design. Memory capacity is another standout feature. With 32GB of DDR4 RAM, the system is optimized for low latency, high-speed performance. This allows for seamless multitasking, quick application launches, and the ability to handle resource-intensive workloads without slowdowns. Whether you are running multiple programs simultaneously or working on complex creative projects, this memory ensures you have the speed and efficiency needed for a responsive experience. Storage also plays a critical role in performance, and the included 1TB NVMe SSD guarantees rapid access to data. Compared to traditional hard drives, this SSD offers up to 6 times faster speeds, which means quicker boot times, faster game loading, and rapid file transfers. This contributes to an overall smoother and more efficient computing environment. Thermal management is another essential aspect of this build. Equipped with a Tianjifeng J8, ARGB quad copper pipe air cooler and 7 ARGB case fans, the system is designed to maintain optimal temperatures even during heavy workloads. The customizable RGB lighting adds a modern aesthetic while ensuring that cooling performance does not compromise system stability. Overall, this PC build is a well-rounded solution for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand performance without sacrificing reliability. With its powerful CPU and GPU pairing, robust memory and storage, and advanced cooling system, it offers everything needed to deliver blazing speed and efficiency in today's demanding digital landscape. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.